Hey friends, bagay ito sa mga taong marurupok na paulit-ulit na binabalikan ang taong hindi naman sila binibigyan ng growth. Ito yung panibagong Filipino romance movie na 5 breakups in a romance. Love story ito ni na Justin at Lance in the span of 8 years at kung paano sila magbabago sa kanilang relasyon, for better or for worse. Ang ganda ng depiction ng pelikulang to tungkol sa relationship because I really think that it's realistic. Lack of communication in relationship will lead to toxicity. And also, pouring all of your hearts out because of love will lead to self-destruction. In the span of 8 years, ipapakita ng pelikula ang ups and downs ng isang relationship at kung gaano rin ito kayang baguhin ng isang tao. Alam ng pelikulang to that no one's relationship is perfect. Pero this changes a person at wala ka nang magagawa doon because I guess that's their fate. I'm really happy na mapanood ulit si Julia Montes sa isang very good movie. Tapos ang ganda pa na aktingan nila